Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna explain about the Git commands, how we can push our local repo to remote. So I'll be using bitbucket, so you can mm, see all the commands which is required to push, clone, or commit and then add the changes. So I'll start from the scratch. So first thing, you can sign up in the Bitbucket. Okay. Then after the signing up in the Bitbucket, you can log in to this Bitbucket. It's free. I mean, you can, create your test account. Now we can create a repo. Okay. So let's say first we have our projects in our local. So C drive integration. I have this mule ACB will welcome, right? So this repo, this project will be pushing it to Bitbucket so that other can also use. So I'll just create the repo with this name, create repo mule, and then project name is this. Okay, default branch name is master, and then leave it as it is, right? Create repo. So once it is created, now we can see this repo is created with this master branch. Okay. Now what will have to do, I just went to C drive integration welcome. Now, so these things are there, right? Services. So I'll just show more options. So first thing, I'll just create integration workspace. Okay, this one. Mhm. Git bash. We can open. We need to install Git. Okay, so I'll be using the git bash command, right? So where it is? Mule ACB. Mm, So yeah, so now we'll have to go to C drive, C integration, mule. Okay, now we need to initialize it, git. So we can see here C drive integration, initialized empty get repo dot git. C drive integrations, mule welcome. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to just set our uh, username, right? So I'll set the username. My username is MD Nasim K. This is the same username which we need to create while signing up in the Bitbucket, correct? So this is set. Now, if you see here, only this .git ignore file is there, but in local we have this much number of folders and files, right? So all we need to push to Bitbucket repo. Now, if we see here Git, first we need to set the remote origin URL, right? So the remote origin is, if we see here, we can we can get this remote URL from here. We can just Okay, we can set the remote origin URL. Now it is set, right? Now we'll have to push this local changes to remote git status. If we see here, I just put the command git status. So in the remote only the git ignore is there, but in local we have this much number of files. So these are the new changes which we need to push to remote, right? So in order to push to the remote, we need we need to get authenticated, right? So then first we need to create a API token. So if you need to go to settings, workspace settings, access management, security, access tokens. Not there, sorry. Personal bitbucket settings, access management, app passwords, right? So here we need to create API token. Close this one. Okay, verification code is needed. So you will receive an email. So I'm just verifying it 584666498. Now it is authenticated. So we need to create an API token with scopes. So let's see, I'll create with this md_k. I'll create for bitbucket. We'll just select all the scopes, okay? But we need we need to make sure that right scope is uh, given the permission. But just to be safer side, I'm choosing all scope. Okay, so that we can push to create API token. So we can copy this and we can just store somewhere. Also, you'll get an email with this API token. Now, this git command. So these are the changes. All our API token is also created. Now we'll see again status. Now we'll have to add. So these have been added. Now we'll have to commit. Make sure we have to give this commit message as a relevant message so that tomorrow if someone can see this commit, so they can relate with this commit message. So we should, I mean, the standard practice is with the Jira ticket number. Let's say Jira ticket number is this colon, and then mm, um, initial initial commit. Okay, now it's committed, but still you cannot see these mm, mule ACB source. Still only .kit ignore is there because until now it is committed, but still it's in my local, so we need to push it to bitbucket repository. So git push origin head. Now it will ask for this authentication. So this is the username and the API key, API token which we have generated. We need to enter in the place of password. Push to reference updates for the because the remote contains work that you do not have locally. This is usually caused. Okay, git pull. Okay, git pull. First, we need to get origin master, refusing to merge unrelated history. So what I did, I just reset this again, the remote origin URL with this command git remote set URL origin, and then the complete this. Now we have already committed our changes, and now we I need to push it to bitbucket origin head. If we see here, we still have uh, only git ignore file inside this repo. Now once we push, we'll have we can see all the files, not this. It's rejected. Updates are rejected because still it is refusing to pull. Okay, we'll just do this. Allow unrelated history. So it will pull all the. Let me again. Yeah, automatic merge failed. Fix conflict and then commit the results. Git add commit. I'm just giving any random number. So this is Jira number. This is standard practice. Uh, Fixed merge. Yeah. Now it has been pushed to Bitbucket. If I refresh it, so all the local changes should be pushed to this master branch. Now, if we need to, create a feature branch now, suppose, because this is a master branch. So let's say it is a production, and now I need to work something. I need to change something, and then I need to work on some, user story, and then we need to push it to develop branch or uh, our feature branch. So let's first I'll add workspace. Let's say I'll add one folder. Anyway, actually we need to just mm, work on some coding parts, right? But I'll just show you how we can, create new branch and then create pull request and then merge into master. So let's say I have added one file which is prod.yaml. Okay, let me just add something. Mm, Testing. Okay, so this has been added into my local, and in my remote, in my repo, it is not there, right? So the standard practice is first we need to create the feature branch out of this master branch. So if I see get status, so one file will be there, prod.yaml.txt, right? Now I need to create a branch, git. mm, So I need to create a feature branch out of master branch. So git checkout hyphen b, it should create a feature branch, means the branch, and then we need to specify the branch name, feature. Let's say Jira ticket number is 12345. So I mean, best practice is to create the feature branch using this Jira ticket number, right? So I'll create. So now you can see earlier it was in master. Now it is switched to feature CS12345. Now if I see the status is again, this is the unchanged untracked file. Now I'll have to add. Now I'll have to commit CS12345 added prod.yaml file. Now we'll have to push to origin head. So if I see here, we should have now two branch, master and then feature. So the process is, if you see here, prod.yaml.txt is there. So we need to create a pull request so that our team lead or project manager can review the change pull request and then merge. So we'll have to create a pull request, create pull request from feature source branch to destination master branch, because directly we should not change in the master branch. So we have to create the feature branch and then commit our changes and then create the pull request. So it will be creating the pull request and okay, now the pull request is created. Now you can see the files changed. This is the file added and this is the text added inside this file. Now it is approved. So your team lead or someone will be approving and then it will merge. Merge commit and close source branch. If we need to delete the source branch, means feature branch, we can click here, or if we want to keep it, we can keep it. So we'll have to merge. Now if we see in this master branch, the prod.yaml file will be there. If you see here, source prod.yaml file in the master branch, prod.yaml file in the text branch. Now master and feature branch are synced. So that's how we need to, work on this git command and then work on this repo. So hope you like it and you just give it a try, and you can create your bitbucket test account, and you have to install this git for desktop in your system, and then you can just get started. Yeah. Thank you. Happy learning. Share with your friends. Thank you. Happy learning. Bye.